Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Geometry Dash not working or keep crashing after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you are opening Geometry Dash and it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the setting first. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Now after that you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to tap on general. From here guys, you have to scroll it down and make sure that your date and time is correct. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have to reset the network setting. If there is any network problem, then you can fix your problem by doing this. And if still Geometry Dash is crashing or is not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the app store and just simply have to search for the Geometry Dash and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply you have to update the Geometry Dash, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, tap on general. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage. From here you have to wait some seconds and look here for the Geometry Dash app. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on that. So from here you have to offload the app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap and hold the app and just simply you have to remove the app from your device and force restart your device and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.